Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with VChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing 3D origami pyramid model. Let me show it to you how it looks. So I have it down here. This is the 3D origami pyramid model, as you can see. Let me get it close. This is very easy model, looks really nice. So without further delay, let's check it out. So guys, for this pyramid origami model, we'll need a square piece of paper. You can pick any color as per your wish. So first, let's fold along the diagonal axis. I already have a diagonal here. Let's fold along the other diagonal too. This forms an X. Press it properly. This forms an X. Now we turn the sheet and we fold along the vertical and the horizontal axes. This is how it looks. Now along this X, we just fold along the creases like this to form a triangle. Here you'll have two flaps, here you'll have two flaps. This is the top closed edge, this is an open place, open section. This is how it looks. Now we hold it in this fashion. We fold this flap, one flap on this side and other flap too on this side like this. Forms a square. Same we repeat on this side. So this is a pyramid and it's totally symmetry. It's a symmetrical structure from all sides, so we need to repeat the same steps again and again on all the four sides. This is how it looks, as you can see. Alright, now these flaps we keep it on bottom side because there is a fold there later. So you have one flap on this side, one flap on this side. Now you fold this section, this one flap like this. Similarly, we do the same on this side. Press it tightly because these are some hard folds here. Now this is how it looks. Now you open this flap like this, open this till here, and then we fold this lower portion inside. As I said earlier, we need to fold this portion, so then close it back like this. We repeat the same step on all the four sides. So just press it tightly here, fold it, fold it. There's how it looks. We repeat the same step here. So we fold one flap here, another flap here like this. Press it tightly again. Now we open this, open it along with this, so like this and like this, and then you can easily fold this portion like this properly and then fold it back. Similarly we do it on this side. This is the flap. Fold it like this. This is how it looks. Now we fold this portion, the bottom one, bottom triangular portion like this, up and down on both sides, and the final part you need to blow it from here. So just properly shake it like this, have a space over here, you need to blow it. Let me just blow it. So this is how it looks as you blow it from this point. Press these sides properly like this, and this is the origami pyramid model. So this is how it looks, and it's a very easy model. So go ahead, make one and enjoy origami. So this, if this opens, then you can lock it like this slightly. You can glue it here as well. I'm not gluing it in this tutorial. So yep, this is the final 3D origami pyramid model. Thanks for watching, guys. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you loved it. It's a very easy model, so go ahead, make one, enjoy origami, make such multiple 3D origami or pyramids to form a big pyramid or to decorate your living room, bedroom, table as per your wish. But don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. Share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.